Loosen the screw. Adjust track length according to window size. Leave 1 centimeter gap on both sides. Tighten the screw. Press and hold the carrier adjustment button. Then adjust the left and right carrier to each side. Release the carrier adjustment button. Place the cover. Assemble bracket. The interval between bracket is less than 60 centimeters. Fix the track with screws. Insert the shaft and rotate it 90 degrees to fix motor. Then power on. The capacity can be 50 kilograms. Hang the curtain fabric. This ready-made curtain is the easiest, has the fewest steps, and is best suited for retail channels.